welcome back to Drawing for Kids. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're going to get started. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. Okay. I'm excited to be drawing this Pokemon with you today, and that's EEVEE. So this request was sent to me by another mommy who has a daughter who really loves EEVEE, one of the Pokemons. So we're gonna do that today. We're gonna start with EEVEE's ears, and she has pointed ears, so we'll do that. There's 1 year for EEVEE, and we'll work on the other year here. After that, I'm going to color and draw in the inside of EEVEE's ear. And then same for the other side, so kind of have to match on the left and the right. I'm going to add on a little fur at the end of the ear because we know that EEVEE's very furry. Very fluffy as well. And then we're going to connect one ear to the other, like so. And along the way, I'm just going to draw a little bit of fur. So it's not just a round, not just a smooth line that goes, it's like a jagged line. Now we're going to work on EEVEE's face. You can see that EEVEE has a face that's round on the bottom and a little bit straighter on the side. And make sure there's a little bit of a curve where her cheeks are. And then just smoothing out the lines here. EEVEE is such a cute character. I can't wait to finish her up. I know there's many versions of her as well, so if you're interested in me drawing other versions of EEVEE, let me know. Now I'm gonna work on EEVEE's eyes because she had these brown, large eyes that are so cute. And draw a little circle on each side of each eye so that I can mark where the pupils are, which is the darker part of the eye. And I'm also going to add some eyebrows for her so she can express herself. Now this is a good time for you to think about, is she in a happy mood, a sad mood, is she surprised? So you can use her eyebrows to kind of express what she's feeling. I did a little nose for her, and then I'm going to do her mouth. Ta-da! So her mouth is a little bit curved. It's not just a straight line. Next, I'm going to do her furry collar because she has a large, fluffy, furry collar. So I do little curved lines here. And then I'll do curved lines from the other side now. There you go. Now we have her collar, her furry collar. And then I'm going to do her feet. So she's going to be standing. If you want, your EEVEE can be sitting, or she could be jumping, or you can think about what kind of position you want her to be in. And then I'll do her back feet as well. Of course, they needs to even out on both sides. There you go. So now we have EEVEE. I need to make sure that EEVEE has her tail in the back. She's in a good mood, so her tail's gonna stick upwards. And I'm gonna make her tail really round on the back to show that it's really furry. And then I'll add a little pattern at the end. And there we go. We have our outline of our EEVEE. Okay, next we're gonna start coloring EEVEE. I'm gonna use a little bit of beige to show where her cheeks are because I think it'll be really cute if she has rosy cheeks. If you want, you can accessorize your EEVEE and add on a hat. If it's someone's birthday, you want to add on a birthday hat. Maybe she's holding on to balloons with her tail as well. That will be fun too. Make sure to kind of add a little bit of creativity and help your EEVEE tell a story. So what is she doing today? Is she heading to a birthday party? Or maybe she's heading for a picnic. So add in your background for your EEVEE. For her, I'm going to add in brown for her eyes. Of course, you can add in blue or whatever color you would like. You can think about what your favorite color is. Maybe your favorite color is purple. Maybe EEVEE should have purple eyes. That would look really cool. Now I'm going to color in EEVEE with the traditional brown color. Of course, there's different EEVEEs in the Pokemon series, so you can add on pink, yellow, and like other types of EEVEE, which I'll probably reserve for future drawings where I'll be doing other EEVEEs. What is your favorite type of evolution for EEVEE? I'd like to hear that too. For now, I'm just gonna color in EEVEE and enjoy this process. Make sure to color in her feet in the same color as her head and her ears as well. We're gonna do the same for her tail, but for her fluffy collar, I'll reserve that for a different color. EEVEE's a really fun character to do because I think she's really playful and there's lots of ways to play around with it. We've colored in most of the brown color. I'm just gonna add a different color for her collar and the end of her tail. Now, what kind of color should I be? Should I make it pop like a neon pink? That would be really cool too. Maybe she dyed her hair especially for a party. I'm just gonna take my time coloring that in. Well, I'm just about to wrap up here. I hope you enjoy this drawing with Sharon for Pokemon EEVEE, one of the most adorable Pokemon in the series. Well, here it is. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, if you enjoyed these type of videos, please let me know. And if there are other videos you want me to do, please put a comment below. I'll see you next time.